In 2025, what will be different? In 2025, the RS Q8 will get a cosmetic upgrade to match the revised looks of the Q8 and SQ8. The base RS Q8 model has been replaced with the more powerful 631 horsepower performance variant. Along with increased horsepower, the performance trim adds a mechanical center differential, a custom exhaust system, and an innovative electric motor-assisted suspension that makes the RS Q8 more stable when cornering. There is a base price of $137,495 for the 2025 Audi RS Q8. With its six-figure price tag, the RS Q8 performance isn't exactly cheap, but if you're into hot SUVs, it's money well spent. As standard equipment, you will find an adjustable air suspension system, 22-inch wheels, heated and cooled front seats, and a 17-speaker Bang & Olufsen audio system. While the SQ8 only manages 500 horsepower, the RS Q8 Performance's twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 cranks out 631. Fuel economy is enhanced via a 48-volt hybrid system that operates in the background, in conjunction with the RS Q8's engine, quattro all-wheel drive, and 8-speed automatic transmission. An electromechanical active roll stabilization system, which utilizes electric motors to augment the suspension's roll stiffness during intense cornering, and a mechanical center differential are also standard on the Performance. The RS Q8 Performance impressed us with its well-balanced handling, quicker acceleration than previously, and plenty of grip in our road and track testing. Additionally, it can relax for those long periods of cruising, providing a comfortable ride with the suspension dialed down to its lowest level. We timed the RS Q8 and it reached 60 miles per hour in 3.2 seconds, which is just 0.1 second slower than the Urus, which costs $100,000 more. We haven't had the opportunity to try the new performance trim yet, but it should be even quicker. The RS Q8 gets 15 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the interstate, which is a pitiful amount of gas mileage. The RS Q8's incredible performance comes at a cost. But, in our real-world 75 miles per hour highway fuel efficiency test, the prior non-performance RS Q8 did exceed expectations, returning 23 miles per gallon.